Hello everyone, welcome to Angrezi. Today we are going to talk about prepositions. So let's get started. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between noun and the other words in a sentence. Prepositions वो होते हैं जो noun का relationship बताते हैं, उनके location, उनका direction, time और relationship दूसरे objects के साथ. And there are multiple kinds of prepositions. So let's learn about them. The very first one is preposition of time. As the word says, time, it indicates when any action occur. कोई भी एक्शन कब हुआ है, उसका पर्टिकुलर टाइम, उसका ड्यूरेशन और फ्रीक्वेंसी जो वर्ड्स बताते हैं, उन्हें हम कहते हैं preposition of time. For example, at. We use at for very specific time. कोई भी एक्शन जिस टाइम पे हुआ है, वो क्या इवेंट है और या किसी हॉलिडे पे है, तो उसके लिए हम at यूज करते हैं. For example, I have a meeting at 9 o'clock. She always goes to the gym at lunchtime. We'll meet you at the restaurant. So if you see at 9 o'clock, at lunchtime, at the restaurant. So ये सारे timings, places बहुत specific है. That is why we have used at for it. The next one is in. We use in for general period of time such as months, years, season और longer period. in हम यूज करते हैं किसी भी event के लिए जो बहुत particular time पे, particular month, year, season या longer period में हुआ है. For example, she was born in June. They will graduate in 2023. The flowers bloom in spring. So if you see, in June is a month, in 2023 is a year, and in spring is a season. So for all these, we use the preposition in. The third one is on. On we use for the specifying particular days or dates. जब भी हम किसी डे या डेट के बारे में बात कर रहे होते हैं, तब हम on यूज करते हैं. For example, we have a party on Saturday. The concert is on July 4th. The package will be delivered on Monday. So if you see on Saturday, on July 4th or on Monday, all of these are sharing dates or days. That is why we have used on with it. The second kind of prepositions are prepositions of place. We use these words to indicate the location or the position of something. जब भी हम किसी चीज की पोजीशन को या उसकी लोकेशन को बताते हैं, तब हम preposition of places यूज करते हैं. The first one is in. We use in to indicate something which is located within the boundaries or confines to a particular space. जब कोई भी चीज एक बाउंड्री के अंदर होती है या पर्टिकुलर स्पेस के अंदर होती है, उसके लिए हम in यूज करते हैं. For example, the cat is sleeping in the box. She lives in New York City. There is a book in the bag. So in the box, in New York City, and in the bag are the places and the locations which have particular boundaries. The next one is on. On we use to indicate when something is positioned on a surface. जब कोई चीज दूसरी चीज के ऊपर होती है, उसके लिए हम on यूज करते हैं. For example, the keys are on the table. There is a picture on the wall. She put the book on the shelf. So on the table, on the wall, and on the shelf are the examples where you can see कोई चीज दूसरी चीज के ऊपर है. The third one is at. We use at to indicate a specific point or location. जब भी हम किसी specific जगह और location की बात करते हैं, तब हम at को यूज करते हैं. For example, we'll meet you at the bus stop. They are waiting at the corner. He's standing at the door. So at the bus stop, at the corner, and at the door These are very specific locations. That's why we have used at for it. Moving next to the third kinds of prepositions, which are prepositions of direction. Prepositions of directions are used to indicate the movement or the direction of someone or something. जब हम किसी भी चीज के या इंसान का डायरेक्शन बताते हैं तो उसे हम preposition of direction कहते हैं. The first one is to. We use to indicate movement towards a specific destination or direction. हम to को इस चीज के लिए इंडिकेट करते हैं कि कोई भी चीज किस डायरेक्शन से आ रही है या जा रही है. For example, we are going to the park. She walked to the store. He ran to catch the bus. So to the park, to the store, and to catch the bus shows the direction where something is moving forward. Next is from. From is used to indicate movement away from ongoing origin or starting point. कोई भी चीज का स्टार्ट होना उसके ओरिजिनल पॉइंट से, उसके लिए हम from यूज करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, she traveled from Paris to Rome. The train departed from the station. He walked from the house to the garden. So from Paris to Rome, from the station and from the house shows you the specific origin and the starting point of something. I hope you learned something new in this video. Please share some comments in the chat box for some more examples, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.